The word AGAPAY generally translates to support, to stand beside, or side by side. But in the Salle University-Dasmariñas, we define AGAPAY as an acronym that stands for Adhikaing Ganap Para sa Yaring Kabuhayan. That means we aim for a fully realized aspiration for a sustainable livelihood, or simply empowering communities through providing a way of earning a living that is stable, that is resilient, and environmentally responsible over time. AGAPAY is a community extension and service learning program of the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. And now, in its 8th year, AGAPAY has successfully implemented 8 batches of our beneficiaries. AGAPAY is aligned with several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Likewise, AGAPAY embodies the principles of Catholic social teaching.
AGAPAY is integrated within the BS Hospitality Management curriculum. Specifically, it's found within the 3rd year under the course Entrepreneurship in Hospitality. So this means that when the hospitality management students reach their 3rd year, they're automatically exposed to this service learning experience. The beneficiaries of the AGAPAY program are those households, specifically the household heads. These are families within the city and the nearby places within the province. In this family are usually those who are economically challenged. After the service learning activity, we conduct monitoring program. The college, in partnership with the Salle Community Development Center and the local barangay unit, we provide intervention programs for them. Just like our founder, AGAPAY enables the students, the teachers, and even the beneficiaries to use our knowledge, our skills to help people, the community in need. And in turn, those people whom we have helped now are able to stand up on their feet, and now they can help other people as well.
So in the classroom, our entrepreneurship class teaches us how to build a business. But AGAPAY Pang Otso na really changed our perspective when it comes to establishing a business of our own. We are building real, sustainable livelihoods that we actually turn over to our partner communities. It takes the concepts from our modules and transforms them into a tangible stepping stone for community empowerment. We don't just walk into a community to teach. We walk in to learn, to immerse ourselves, to understand them better, and to build a better future alongside the people that we serve.
At hindi lamang ako ang natulungan ng programang ito, kundi nasa kulang-kulang 50 pamilya kami na nabigyan ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng mapagkakakitaan. Bali, nakakapagtinda na rin po kami sa labas ng aming barangay at pwede rin namin itong i-post online kung saan nakakakuha kami ng maraming customer na makakatulong sa amin para mas madagdagan yung kita namin. At bukod doon sa pagkakaroon namin ng dagdag na kita, napalago namin ito at nadagdagan pa namin ng ibang produkto, yung puhunan na ibinigay sa amin ng AGAPAY Pang Otso. Kaya sobrang laking tulong po ito at biyaya sa pamilyang katulad ko po.
Ay maraming salamat din po sa AGAPAY Pang Otso po sa pagbibigay niyo po sa amin ng opportunity na mabigyan kami ng pangkabuhayan at tuloy-tuloy po namin ito para po mapaunlad po ang aming community.
Ang service learning ay hindi siya one-way na proseso. It is a two-way because we serve them, we don't help them, we serve them, and we learn from them.
Tulad ng konsepto ng AGAPAY, para sa aming mga benepisyaryo, sasamahan namin kayo sa bawat hakbang patungo sa inyong tagumpay. Para naman sa aming mga estudyante, tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi, let us not just remember, but let us live the Lasallian prayer. I will continue, O my God, to do all my actions for the love of you.